Welcome to the Alibaba Cloud OSS Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Service, OSS, is a highly scalable, secure, and cost-effective solution designed to store and manage large amounts of unstructured data. It's ideal for developers, enterprises, and businesses of all sizes, especially those operating in Asia or looking for a strong cloud service with global reach. One of the key features of Alibaba Cloud OSS is its scalability. Whether you're storing a few terabytes or scaling to petabytes of data, OSS can handle the load seamlessly. It offers a variety of storage classes, including standard, infrequent access, and archive, allowing businesses to optimize storage costs based on access patterns and retention needs. This makes OSS versatile and cost-effective for various workloads, from frequent data access to long-term archival storage. Alibaba Cloud OSS is built for security with data encryption, both at rest and in transit. It also offers advanced access controls and fine-grained permissions, allowing you to ensure that only authorized users can access specific files. For businesses that need to comply with regulations, Alibaba Cloud OSS is compliant with numerous industry standards, ensuring that your data is protected and managed appropriately. One of OSS's standout features is its seamless integration with Alibaba Cloud's ecosystem, including services like Elastic Compute Service, ECS, and database services. This makes it an attractive option for businesses already invested in the Alibaba Cloud platform. Additionally, the service supports large-scale data migration and integration with third-party applications. Pricing for Alibaba Cloud OSS is competitive, with a pay-as-you-go model that ensures you only pay for the storage you use, with no upfront costs. The flexible pricing makes it suitable for startups and large enterprises alike. Alibaba Cloud OSS is an excellent choice for businesses looking for reliable, secure, and cost-effective cloud storage with robust scalability. For more details and to get started, check out the links in the description below.